Hello viewers, myself I am K. Dilip Kumar from Savita School of Engineering CSC Department first year. Today we are going to discuss about universal design principles. There are 7 universal design principles. They are equitable use, flexible in use, simple and innovative use, perceptible information, tolerance of errors, low physical effort, size and space for approach and use. The first one is equitable use. The design which is designed should be used by the every person commonly, and also it should be secure and safe for the users, and also it should be used by the one who is unknown and who is known about the software and the design. And the second one is flexibility in use. Flexibility in use means the design should be in a manner that a user can use with his left hand or either with the right hand. He can choose the design patterns by his own as he is able to use by himself. Simple and innovative use. This means giving the feedbacks about the design which is designed. It should not discourage the user about his skills or language. The language used in the design should be simple and which should be understand for the lower level people to the high level people, and also it should not show the difference for the different people and their languages. The language should be simple which is understandable to the all kind of peoples. Perspective information. The user should be able to analyze all the aspects in a design, and they can easily identify which one chooses which one, and the different elements should be designed in a proper and in understanding manner. Tolerance for errors. If there is any error done by the design or the user, the errors can be easily finded, and the errors can be easily erased by the software design which is designed, and also it should be apt to the user interface. Low power efficient. It means the design should not effort the person who is using, and also it should not increase the storage for that particular design in the user. It means that when we are creating a password to a mail or anything else, the system or the Android phone will ask whether to save or to not save the password. It means that it is saving, it is not efforting us to store all the passwords and the information which is there. It is the one which decreases the effort, physical effort. Size and space of approach and use. The size should be very less. The software should not be more space in the device, and also the speed of the device and the design should be faster. It should be more secure and more feasible and mobility to all the kind of devices which are available in the market. Thank you for watching this video.